Within every Motiva implant packaging is a unique Motiva card, each of which contains unique serial numbers for both implants used in your surgery. These numbers are what you need to register your implants within 90 days of your surgery. To do so, enter motiva.health/motivaimagine or motivaimagine.com into the search browser of your choice. If visiting motiva.health, you can also find the Register Implants option at the top left of your screen. All of these options will lead you to the Motiva registration portal. Choose your preferred language, create a profile, or log in if you already have one. To begin the registration process, select the type of implants you have and on which side. Then, you must select the country in which your surgery took place, as well as the Motiva ID card guide that you received the day of your surgery. Next, select whether you want to register using your serial numbers or electronic serial numbers. If you have implants without QID or Zen safety technology, register with your serial numbers. You can scan your implant labels with your phone or from a file on your computer or tablet, or enter the serial number manually in the option below. If you have implants with QID or Zen safety technology, follow the same steps but using the electronic serial numbers which don't require a validation code. Afterwards, select your incision site, which is where your implants were inserted. Then select the placement type. You will then be asked to select your type of surgery. And finally, add your surgeon's name and the date of your surgery. Once you've hit the Submit button, your registration will be completed. After your implant registration, you can now visit your surgeon and use a Q reader to read your QID or Zen radiofrequency identification device. This technology allows you, in the event your Motiva card or your medical file is lost, to acquire your implant serial numbers after implantation, granting you the ability to always verify your implant information.